Hey, Amy Plano, reimbursement dietitian here. Today, I wanted to chat about something I get a ton of questions about is when to expect payment after you have submitted an insurance claim. So for good or for bad, the insurance companies have on most of your contracts 30 days, and it's generally business days from the date in which you submit your insurance claim. The cool thing in my practice, I would single-handedly say, with the exception of Medicare, who does tend to take those whole 30 days, there is no insurance company in my practice that pays us any more out than probably 15 days. In fact, some of the insurance companies pay us within 3 to 4 days of submitting an insurance claim. But the reality is they have 30 days. So one of the things that I would suggest doing is keeping some type of day sheet or documentation on the date in which you submitted the claim. And then I personally would not even worry about that claim paying probably until about 5 weeks out. I know in the beginning it is super scary because you're like, did I do something wrong? Is it going to get rejected? But the reality is if you call before they've even processed the claim, you're going to wait on hold for way too long, only for them to tell you it's in process. So rule of thumb is like, I know nobody wants to hear this. Generally, they will pay you very quickly once you are all set up with EFTs and all of those things. Remember, if they're cutting paper checks because you have not set up your EFTs, it's probably going to take much longer to receive those payouts. But on average, I would sincerely say no more than 15 days once you are up, established, especially with EFTs for direct deposits in terms of getting paid. But remember, they do have 30 business days on most of your contracts. It should be visible in there in terms of when they need to pay you, in terms of either paying you, denying the claim, or asking for more information, right? It's okay for them to deny the claim within 30 business days. That's still part of the statute of limitations, or ask for more money that they might do in something like a coordination of benefits. But in my personal experience, it does not take very long to get paid by the insurance companies. And I would say 98% of all of our payments come through EFTs, which is a direct deposit we have set up from the insurance company. So hopefully that helps. I know it can be super nerve-wracking, especially in the beginning when you're submitting claims. And also, just to clarify, it's not atypical for them to pay on a follow-up claim. I know it's bizarro before they cut you money and pay you on an initial visit. So don't freak out. I know there's lots of things for us to freak out about being registered dietitians who accept insurance, but that's not one of them. So hopefully that helps. I'm Amy Plano, reimbursement dietitian. I help dietitians just like you get credentialed, build the shit out of insurance, and make the money you deserve.